Let's work on a Python puzzle together. I'm going to make a dictionary. There's my dictionary. I can print it and notice that the letters stay, the keys 1, 2, 3 stay in order. Just to prove that it wasn't sorted, let's make it in a 3C, comma 2B. And now let's print this new definition of D. It goes 1, 3, 2. Okay, that's fine. What if we add something else to it? D4 equals D. D is short for dictionary, by the way. Let's print D. It goes 1, 3, 2, 4. So far, so good. So it seems to be in the order that we inserted things. Well, let's insert something else. Let's say that D at key 3 equals the string CCC. What do you expect when I print D? Well, let's find out. It still goes 1, 3, 2, 4. Now that's interesting because you might think that the 3 would end up at the end of the list. At the end of the dictionary. But I guess what's happening is the keys remember their order, and even though the value for key 3 changed to CCC, the key 3 is still there. Well, what if we delete key 3? So if we do del D3 and print D, now we have 1, 2, 4. What if we put key 3 back in? D at 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's print the dictionary now. Oh, 1, 2, 4, 3. So this time the key 3 ended up at the end because the dictionary forgot where to put key 3 in the order. So I think that hopefully explains what a viewer was asking about from my last short. I'll link this video in the description of that short, or maybe in a comment. We'll figure it out. Thanks for watching.